Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ken Rogers, and well, it's breakfast time here in the Rogers house, so I'm gonna bring you a treat. We're just fixing up some basic homemade biscuits. Well, the biscuits are not homemade; they come from a can. But homemade sausage gravy, and I'm gonna show you my way of doing it. Let's get started, guys. I'm just gonna start by frying up some sausage. I'm reserving about a quarter pound of this sausage for our gravy. For now, I don't want to waste, so I'm going to fry up the rest of the sausage. Got the flip. Get these guys off of here and get the main show going. Leaving these two on because Mama likes hers burnt. Get that bad boy on here. Get that crumbled up. Alright, turning the heat down for just a little bit. Some of this goodness off the bottom. What makes Southern gravy? Southern gravy? Butter. I have about 2.5, maybe 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. A lot of people would take the sausage out. I don't. It's almost good enough to eat right there. And for about the size of my family here, I'm just using 2 cups of milk. It'll work out perfect for us. Time to start whisking away. The thing I use here is I'd always, before I turn in that milk, is I bring the heat down a little bit and I'll bring it back up. Add some black pepper. Notice I did not add any salt to this. There's plenty of salt in that sausage. Yeah, she's starting to come together now. So she's starting to bubble there. We're about done. She's getting the consistency that I'm looking for. I'm gonna give her a little taste. Oh yeah. Turning her off. I'm gonna get my family fed, and then I'm gonna come back and do a final taste with you. All right, let's put this together here. Awesome gravy. A couple pieces of sausage. Look at her. Look at that goodness. All right, here we go. Nailed it. I know it wasn't nothing special. Just wanted to catch up. I haven't done a breakfast video yet, and just want to bring it to you. This is how I do sausage gravy. I know there's lots of ways to do it. A lot of people take the sausage out and make the gravy, put the sausage back in. I make it all together. It turns out great. Folks, thanks so much. I hope you liked the video. And if you did, hit that like button. And stay with us. We got more coming. God love you, folks. We'll see you on the next one.